I think I have a problem. Today's topic is air filters. Now I got myself the Ngage air filter cleaning kit from Dynamic Riders again, because I don't want to get it online. It costed around 1200 rupees. I just thought I would record myself while cleaning this, since I've been lacking on videos. So this is the content, basically. That's that. This is only half the bottle. Don't worry about it if it's not full. This is how much you get. So we start with the cleaner, and then once the filter is dried up, I'll explain the steps. But once the filter is dried up, we apply the oil. Oil looks something like this. I already put the hole in it. Little too big. It's a little too big, but I think it's fine. We can deal with it. Even this filter oil belongs to Sashi, and even he has a similar hole. So hoping that's fine. Now that's that. We will go open our bike's airbox and clean the air filter. So these two have scanners that shows the instruction. Like it says, scan the QR code for detailed cleaning instructions. And yeah, some basic details. I'll just keep it to the side somewhere safely. I don't want to lose it. I guess let's go get out. This is the first time doing a chest mount video. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, chest mount. Awkward, but let's get it done. So yeah, let's. Ignore the dirt on the bike. It's unclean. Revive. Yeah, that'll be. Three bolts are off. Let's just pull this out. So as you can see, it's pretty dirty. Yep, very dirty. Yep. It's actually very dirty. Yep. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, let's just start with the cleaning process. What I'm doing right now is just spraying it all across the filter, just like generously. At the same time, trying not to inhale that mist. But yeah, I see progress so far. I'll just let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then I'll start soaking it in water, and I'll just repeat it once or twice. I don't think I have to overdo it. But given the little dirt that's coming on, I will probably have to do it once or twice again. But yeah, until it's clean. I can just say that I hate the bike for the sake of it, but there's nothing much to hate about it. It just so looks good even stripped down. Even if you remove the seat, it just looks so good. I just like to hate on it for no reason. So actually I actually thought of getting the spark plugs as well, but they don't have the spark plugs itself, but they do have this kit. I don't see a point of kit because my cables are running fine. My cables are running fine. They don't have any problems or anything like that, at least for now. It takes time for that to wear off or something like that. So I really never felt the need to get the full kit, and I don't think I'll ever get it. That's why I'm just gonna order that. So yeah, I also started following the different maintenance routine, which since I've been using motor oil for the past 3,000 kilometers now, 325. I changed the service intervals from 10,000 kilometers to 5 to 7,000 kilometers. Although it's recommended 5,000, but I'm gonna extend it to 7 because my friends who are using the motor oil also said that they are sticking to 8,000 minimum. I'll try to experiment and try to increase the service maintenance by 1,000 kilometers, 500 kilometers each time. It's a slow process. What have I done? A lot of dirt is going to start to come off already. So yeah, it's losing the particles inside, but yeah, like I said, I'll be experimenting with the service intervals and see how rough it gets, how hard it gets. It's a slow process, but it will happen slowly. I can't rush things into this bike, like at all. Like, you spend so much money on it, why would you want to spend more money to ruin your bike? Eventually some parts like RR unit will fail or something. What is the coil inside might fail, the battery I have to change. I'd rather spend money on those things than get new things which don't need replacement or change. I hope I'm making sense. So that's kind of my point. I don't want to do excessive maintenance that ruins it, empties my wallet unnecessarily. I'm already broke. This is a good time to soak it. It's soap water. Soap water. It's surf. Kind of strong. Fuck it. Holy shit! Look at how fast it turned black. Look at how fast it turned black. Oh, what the fuck! I didn't even do anything. It just turned black. That's how dirty your filters are. So, the filters definitely dry out for a couple of hours now. It's completely dry now. And one thing to note is that never trust this. This is marketing, I expect. Once after every 15,000 kilometers, any air filters needs cleaning and recharging process to restore your air filter to a lighting condition. Which is a bunch of bull. Which is once after every 15,000 kilometers, let's say that this filter needs cleaning and recharging. Which I say is a bunch of bullshit because that filter runs for less than 6,000 kilometers. Because that filter left only or less than 6,000 kilometers, and it makes no sense that it's that dirty. So it depends on condition to condition, city areas you live in. My area is mostly kind of dirty. The areas you travel to is also a variable. So yeah, just keep it cleaning after 5 to 7,000 kilometers. That would be a good number. But more than that, it's gonna clog up your filter more than it's gonna damage more than help. Yeah, let's just start the oiling process and we'll release on the filter and call it a day. Also, this is the recharge kit which I will be applying. So what I'll be doing is I will now take the oil and spread across each of these crowns, the lines that you see, so that it starts from the top and then enough to cover all these edges. So yeah, that's the thing I should be doing now. Let's get started. It's been a while since we did it. I did Sashi's refilling with DNA. He has DNA air filter. This is Ngage air filter. You can use both the oils, but factory oils are the best. Sometimes, not in Royal Enfield case. Get the fully synthetic oils for Royal Enfield. It works better. Let's begin. It's overfilling. That's too much. Overfilling will cause again like clogging of particles or such. Filtration might be kind of hard, so just apply nice and generous, not too much, and you should be good. I put a bigger hole in this, that's where I'm missing out. Almost done. We'll just, once it settles down, we'll wait for a few minutes and then see if there's any dry spots and apply again just to make sure we get it right. Even if I overfill it and clog the filter, I can just wash it again and redo it all over again. That's the worst case scenario. It's not gonna damage filter because I overfilled it once. This is supposed to run for a longer time. I will see I'll just slightly touch it. The first I was too generous. Yeah. Filtration is oiling is done, or should I say recharging is done. I'll just wait for a couple minutes to let the oil absorb, let the cotton absorb. I'll just wait for a few minutes for the material to absorb the whole thing inside. Since there's particles, the material goes inside as well. The oil should go inside as well. I'll just wait for a few minutes. Maybe I should apply the okay. Or should I do it right? Just leave it here. I think I did good job. I think I did fine. I can just use this for another once or twice. I can use it another 1 or 2 times. I say it's fine. Even I can use that if Shashi ever needs it. Yep. That's about the oiling process. Now we'll see you at the reinstallation of the filters. Maybe in the evening. What's the time? It's 4 o'clock. It's just 4. 5. the videos has not captured the audio because of my fault, my ignorance. Ignore the muted part, sorry about that. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching, this is the Ngage air filter cleaning kit, and I'm Uday. You're watching Forest Neutral. Thank you for watching.